This Flagstaff fifth wheel was really dirty when I filmed it, but I had to. It's under 29 feet in total length, auto level system, 2 air conditioners, half-ton towable, and a huge gourmet kitchen with a ton of storage. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle, and this is an incredible floor plan, and I'm super excited to bring it to you. Just ignore the dirt and the dust as we go along it. This is one of the best built, highest quality units that Forest River builds. You get a big refrigerator, sleeper sofa, and look at the design and sleekness of that kitchen. Tons of cabinetry, great, outstanding cabinet space. It even has partial of that cabinet space to have a little dinette bar area to eat. Now that refrigerator does run on either the battery or when you're plugged in, so no use of propane. That's becoming more and more popular as we're getting closer and closer to their deadline of 2025 to get rid of propane electric refrigerators. One-piece sink, beautiful cabinetry doors. And if you enjoy the fact that I actually open all the drawers and cabinets, please let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. You do have 4 drawers. I'm sorry. Well, you do have 4 drawers. One of the drawers is actually underneath the oven. And then actually you have a 5th drawer in the kitchen, which is the one under the refrigerator. And then you have hidden plugs and another opportunity to store more stuff, more cabinets. So there isn't a waste of space where there's just a wall there that you're going to put a TV on. The TV directly sits above the bar stools across from the couch. So you got the opportunity to put a lot more clothing, linens, things of that nature. Of course, the assist grab handle for those of us like myself with bad knees. Big, huge shower. Guys, it's not that corner glass shower door like it normally is in a small fifth wheel. It's actually a real shower with bathroom storage and chicken wing space around the toilet area. Wrapping ourselves around into the bedroom, you got a walk around full queen size bed with clothing area, closet space for miles. Remember, this has 2 dedicated air conditioners to the unit, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. Man, I just couldn't get over how great this floor plan is. I was very impressed. I have not seen this particular one yet. I haven't been a fan of small fifth wheels at all over the years, mostly because I don't like the words half-ton towable. And it's almost impossible to get this kind of space and storage inside something under 35 feet. Now, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see my favorite fifth wheel walkthrough that I did so far.